Dito na kami guys ngayon. Finally nakarating na kami sa baby. Ayan na. Anong pangalan ta baby? Ciudad Elmina.
Kanya-kanya pwesto. Kunyari tayo receptionist. Welcome to our
Kasi yun yung may-ari. So guys, ito na kami. Ang ganda pala niya. Kaya pala sinabing floating. Yun guys. Elmina. So yun guys, ganda.
Special dito yung nagbangas nila. Yung ship nila.
May mga tapayan sila.
Sa gabi pala, meron silang
Live band. Ah. So guys, crocodile and turtles. Pero nandito na lang turtles. Ano?
Wala silang.
Shania Twain.
There's a lot of selections here.
May buro. Yun o. Ano eh, nandito na lahat eh. Ito na yung pinaka-special nila eh. Dalawa nito. Ha?
May pata na.
O, may patang ano na, crispy pata.
Okay.
O,
Yun pala.
dalawa. O,
Hindi, dito ay lagi.
No, kami ni Benz.
Ano gusto niyo? Lemonade iced tea?
sino gusto ng drinks?
Iced tea.
O, sige, kunin mo mga drinks nila. Tsaka dalawang bulalo ha.
Benji, nakapag-attendance na. Nag-selfie singer nyo! Pwede po ba makilala yan?
I use a girl that's the one who promised me her love, but it's gone. Does anybody ever know? How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it'll never be this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken feels like it will never love this much again. Oh no. Tonight I hope what could be right. Tomorrow I feel tend to let you go. The only one, Christy. And where you ever want you'd see, was I a fool who fell in love with his own dream? And now you say you want to leave, start a new life today. Those words I thought you'd never say. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no, tonight I hope what could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to wake up old and flow behind me. Wake and find that I have found a new life in my soul. And find that I know how to let you go. You go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. Gusto ako. How do you heal a broken heart that feels changes to me by the look on my face? You decorated my life, created a world. Dreams are apart, and you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Like a rabbit, no reason, in an unfinished song. There was no harmony, life meant nothing to be until you came along. And you brought out the colors. What a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to see all the lights that can be shining soft in your eyes. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you decorated my life. Oh, created a world. Dreams are apart. my life by venting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause for the singer, Mr. Federico Manuga. Thank you. Thank you guys, thank you.
Oo, kumakanta yun din eh. Dalawa kami nagsasagutan eh. Oo, next Jen! Kinakanta mo yan eh.
Yes, you're next.
Afternoon po sa mga taga-Kalumbi. And welcome po to Tito Eric and Tita Christy. Welcome to the Philippines. Thank you po sa trip sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Para sa inyo po lahat ko.
Naangat yata, hindi tayo yun eh. Okay, hawakan mo na lang, tita. Thank you so much. Next po natin. Papa daw! Sige tita daw! Sige tita!
I would hate to see you like this. There is no way you can deny it. I can see that you're so sad, so tell me the truth. I'm a shoulder you can cry on. Your best friend, I'm the one you must rely on. You were always sure of yourself. Now I see you broken no better. I hope we can patch it all together. Chiquitita, you and I know how the heart aches come and they go and the scars they leave. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain will end. You will have no time for grieving. Chiquitita, you and I cry, but the sun is still in the sky, shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Souls come troubling down, and your love ain't gonna enter. All is gone, and it seems too hard to handle. Chiquitita, tell me the truth. There is no way you can deny it. I see that you're oh so sad, so quiet. Chiquitita, you and I know how the heart aches come and they go and the stars they leaving. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain will end. You will have no time for grieving. Chiquitita, you and I cry, but the sun is still in the sky and shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Thank you so much, Rob. Okay, next one.
Teachers and birds.
This song is dedicated to Mr. Edwin Bogacia. Don't stray, don't ever go away. Should be much too small for this. You know he gets the better of me sometimes. When you and I collide, fall into our notions of you. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown. Let me down and say it's all because of you. And here I go, losing my control, practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye. That all the things you mean to me came trembling out my mouth, and then it's time telling you why I say it's infinitely true. Say you'll stay, don't come and go like you do. much doubt, it makes me so tired. I feel so uninspired. My head is bottling with my heart. My logic has been torn apart, and now it all turns sour, goes sweet in every afternoon. Say you'll stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. Say you'll stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. Now it all turns sour, can sweeten every afternoon. It's time to tell you why I say it's infinitely true. Say you'll stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. Say you'll stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. Thank you so much po.
So yun. Sorry. Yan na sila Tita Baby.
Uy, ito yung buro. Dalawa yan eh. Dalawang dilaw yan.
Ah, si Mami Gangster sa kaya mo. Basta tanong kaya na. Dami siya.
Abay!
Mamaya pa.
Amen. Yan, konti lang.
Ano, pray.
Konti lang ako, konti.
Sorry na kay buro. Ito po.
Ito guys, kain na kami. Lunch.
Taray. Alin?
Mag-uong!
Ewan ka lang kumakanta ka, te. Kanta mo na ako.
Saka lang ko kakanta.
Babawan niya ito. Hindi naman to. O sige.
Okay, kaya na.
Ito dito sa gitna yung isa.
Ito yung si Maynard.
Sabaw lang yata talaga.
Uy, yung bulalo ninyo. Yun yung package, fiesta. Dalawang fiesta. Dalawang fiesta. Dalawang fiesta.
So Eric, kain na po.
Kain na kain ha. Kailangan nyo, walang matira dyan. Ako.
Hindi. Rice ang isa dito.
Yan, walang bato. Kamayin ko na yan kasi kung naman ako, nagugas ako ng kamay.
Nakita ko sa yung bagoong.
Ito, ano eh.
Kala ko lumpia.
Ano dito?
Thank you po, Tito, Tita.
Ito talaga na-experience namin.
Once in a lifetime experience. Ayan guys, lahat po. Hindi nila alam kung anong unahin nila. So, sobrang sarap ng lahat.
bulalo. Tingnan, kitang-kita ang laman. Ang sarap yan.
Ito yung toast.
Sarap mo.
Ito rin favorite ko, ta baby. Una ko nagustuhan yung toasted na hipon.
Bone yan eh, no?
Benchik. Ano?
May cheerer po dito sa kabilang side. Alex, Mami Johnson is on the house.
Kayo, bakit kayo ka lang?
Duet daw, duet. Ayun o. Lamig naman.
Ikaw sana
Hirap kumanta ng puso. Kaya nga eh.
ang iyong kamay ang aking laging awan at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon ka na dumating sa buhay ko? Ang sarap ko,
aking puso.
ikaw ba?
Narapat sa akin
At sabay
at sabay
napalimutin. Nais kong malaman
nais malaman bakit ngayon
dumating.
Maganda blending ah.
Galing, galing.
Maganda blending.
Ikaw sana
sana laging yakap-yakap
ang iyong kamay.
kamay lagi ang aking awan
At hindi kanya.
kaya
Bakit ngayon
ngayon ka na
dumating sa
dumating sa buhay ko hiling binubuksan ang aking puso. Ikaw ba
Dapat sa
ay narapat sa akin
at sabay
at sabay dapat limutin.
nais kong malaman
Nais malaman bakit ngayon lang,
bakit ngayon
bakit ngayon ka lang
dumating sa
dumating
buhay
sa
ko.
buhay ko. Hiling binubuksan
Ang sarap ko,
ang aking puso. Ikaw ba ay narapat sa akin
At sabay
at sabay dapat limutin.
nais kong malaman
Nais malaman bakit ngayon dumating.
Ano? Benche, yung mga bangus lalaki. Ayan na. Matatanaw mo.
Kagis kasi kung dito mga ano.
Ayan, Benchi, oh. Natatanaw mo. Ayan, oh. Ayan na yung Benchi, ayan. Yan pala yung niluluto nila. Eh, paano yung pag-summer? Ang init ng... So, ayan guys. Tapos na kami rito kumain sa Dagupan. So, heading na kami sa pauwi sa Bulacan. Thank you po kay Tito Baby, kay Tita Baby, tsaka kay Tito Eric. Sobra po na-enjoy namin yung food, tsaka yung service dito sa may Ciudad Elmina. Ciudad Elmina, dito po sa Dagupan. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nag-enjoy kayo? Anong nagustuhan mo? Number 1.
Food!
Alin doon?
Pansit.
Pansit, ikaw, Eche.
Hipon, tsaka bulalo.
Tipo ng bulalo. Kaya sing ano nagustuhan mo sa food? Pinaka number 1 sa'yo.
Lahat masarap. Very okay. Lahat.
Yeah, the food
Ano
is
nagustuhan
great.
mo?
The ambience, it's so nice and the staff, very accommodating.
Ano nagustuhan mong food? Number 1.
All the food is nice.
Ikaw, ate.
Super busog, super sarap, and thankful talaga nandiyan si Tito at Tita.
Ciudad Elmina.
Picture daw.
Ano nagustuhan mo, Ate Yogi?
For me, yung dessert, the
Dessert?
leche flan and the
Turon.
lumpiang
The turon.
Everything is so
So, baby, ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mo? Sa baby?
Everything.
Everything.
the best. Everything. I really like this place.
At yung TikTok.
And
At yung the singing. Yeah.
serves us.
Yeah.
Ano? Halika lang.
So, ito na po.
Dito na lang. Sis, pwede ba ito dito? Sa likod. Ay, huwag mo kami gulay. Ay, wag gulay. Saan ba ito? Oh, dito ka muna, ma'am. Ay, dito ka muna sa gitna.
Okay na. So, yan guys. Sobrang enjoy. Thanks to Tito Eric and Tita Baby. So, yan guys. We're heading now back to Bulacan. Thank you po sa Ciudad Elmina dito sa Dagupan. Ayan. So thank you for watching guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share and like guys. Pasensya na medyo maingay na natutuwa sila dahil yun. Nag-enjoy sa food. Sobrang happy. Everyone is happy. So thank you Lord for this day and thank you to all the followers. I love you all mga loves. Till next vlog. Bye. So yan guys. Nandito sila nagbibilihan ng dried fish. Ilan mo yung natuto?
Ano to, danggit? Ito ba yung danggit eh? Ito yung danggit? Magkano?
Ayan natin. Nakalista na pala tayo.
Marami na yun.
Okay. Tapos dito guys. Dito guys, meron silang po. Masarap.
30 isang kilo daw.
Ano, kuha ka. Benche. Pwede i-mix. Pwede pala i-mix, Benche. Oo. So, bumibili si Benchi ng puto kalasyaw. Ayan. Lechito. Nakakagulo.
Ang paborito?
Meals pa tayo. Tigo 100 nyo. Oo, tayo.
Discount yung kanya.
Pusit.
Sino bumili sa inyo? Kani binabay lang. Kani kilagi.
Marami na yun.
75. 75.
Okay. Nakapamili na kami guys.
Ano na tawag doon sa isda kung maliliit?
Ano po, sapsap, yung isa.
May sapsap na daan.
Hey, salamat! Hey!
Signal ako pag ganyan, signal.
Binigyan niya tip eh.
This is DJ Magoy of Barangay Abukay, Pilar, Sorsogon.
Sa kanila pa kita pinagmamahal.